Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I got my parcel from Yodel, Adidas, and I'm going to unbox the Adidas Ozweego. So here we go. There is a template from the office.com, and here it is the first impression of the shoe. Oh my god, I love it. Seems so nice and soft. It's my dream shoes ever. Have a great look and a fabulous design. So let's check this out, that how does it feels in feet. Oh, it seems very nice, and it feels very good. It's very soft. Here it is, the impression. Wow, I like it. I'm gonna Ozweego's fan. Here it is, the second pair. There you go, and it's matching with the black suit, so it seems nice. I love this. Oh, superb pair of Ozweego. I love Adidas.